a medical mystery in just 60 seconds regarding what is blue baby syndrome. Blue baby syndrome, also known as cyanotic heart disease, occurs when a baby's skin turns bluish due to lack of oxygen in the blood. This happens because the baby's heart is not pumping blood effectively. One common cause is a heart defect called tetralogy of Fallot, where there's a combination of structural issues in the heart's chambers. The blue color is a sign of oxygen-poor blood circulating through the body. Early diagnosis and treatment are crucial to ensure proper oxygen supply. Understanding this syndrome helps us appreciate the complexity of human body and the importance of medical care for our tiniest patients. That's it for today's 60 Seconds Talk, guys. Thank you, namaste, and keep in mind.